All right, good morning. It's about, I don't even know what time it is this morning, but it's damn near 11:12. I'm about to tow this car, which is was my 85 Cadillac Biarritz, or 82, I'm sorry, 1982 Cadillac Biarritz. I'm towing it to Orange, Texas from Missouri City, Texas, man, and I have no help, so we're gonna do this by myself, and we'll see how this goes, bro. I got my morning wood. You hear me?
Them lows come and shake the scene. Shake the scene, yeah. Cold nigga got the heat by me. Yeah, probably heard about a nigga. I don't trust nobody. Yeah, on the platter nigga eat, can't feed nobody. Yeah, can't afford to have a boat, nigga.
It's getting hot, bro. Yep, first cut of the day. Not too deep. Can't even see it. Yes, sir, ski. So I'm about to put the trailer right here, and I'm gonna let this motherfucker roll all the way down. Yes, I do have a dolly over here, but the thing about this one is if I go anything over 30 miles an hour, it sways, and until I fix that shit, I ain't using it. So, boom.
It's frustrating. I'm trying to listen to God.
Hold up, swing it to the left. Let's never stress. Got a pocket full of chips. Better change your mind. Not gon' shine if you don't risk it. Dip and turn it. Ducking water, wood burning, yeah. I just keep the wheel turning, yeah. Don't owe no favors, nigga, keep away from it. Before I start clutching, yeah. 50 times I violated, yeah. Fuck the laws and trying to play me, yeah. I just keep applying pressure, keep me doing better while I clip. J's when I step on the curb. I'ma swing this hoe to death. Where they at? On the north, on the south, that's where I'm at, yeah. Everywhere I'm niggas next, yeah. Even on them niggas next, yeah. J's when I step on the curb. I'ma swing this bitch to death. Where they at? On the north, on the south, that's where I'm at, yeah. Everywhere I'm niggas next, yeah. Even on these niggas next, yeah.
All right. Problem we're having, which is not a big problem at all. Boom. I didn't have enough roll to get it on there myself. So what I'm about to do is chain this bad boy to this truck, and I'm gonna pull it on now. But the chain that I have is stuck in my bumper. So here we go.
Hold up. Get it fast, hold up. Go lag. Get that bread, get it fast, yeah. Hold up. I open Sprite, pour that shit where the gas, yeah. In the wood, I don't roll these hoes a pass, yeah. Get that bread, get it fast, yeah.
Ooh, boy, it's a process. But I love this shit, man. All right, so I got the chain off. About to hook it up. Goddamn, ain't too hard after this. Just gotta do a little pulling, you know, a little wiggling, you feel me? Matter of fact, let me see if I can get a good angle. Boom, boom. Nope, that's not gonna do it. Well, I'll see y'all in a second. Yeah, with the little help of the lovely lady. Can you wave for the YouTube? Thank you. I had to, have her put her foot on the brakes, but we got it on here. I'm saying I had to pull it with my other truck with the chain. It's cool though, cause everything was smooth. We ready to go, man. This is how you do it yourself. Minus the little help that I did have, but as far as the muscle, hey man, if you got all the tools that you need, man, you can get it done.
Niggas next, yeah.
It's frustrating. I'm trying to listen to God.
Hold up, swing it to the left. Let's never stress. Got a pocket full of chips. Better change your mind. Not gon' shine if you don't risk it. Dip and turn it. Ducking